So first of all, thanks for the giving me this opportunity. I am explain the today SQL Oracle syllabus total in real time also. So here see when I am showing one some syllabus. What is Oracle? What is Oracle SQL and history and evaluation of Oracle SQL, SQL Oracle SQL versus standard SQL, benefit of using Oracle SQL. So what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. It is used to store the data in database. If take one any kind of the one real-time example, Flipkart or Amazon, whenever you shopping, go in the shopping, online shopping, that time your data is collecting the data, the farm, one farm. What is your name, your village name, your pin code, as well as your phone number. Whenever you would submit the data, that time another page will be open. Your data also going that company database. You were collecting the data where your product is a correct time in the date with uh, quality of material through delivery your village or town. That time take the data. So that time it is used to Oracle SQL database. So I am giving the real-time example and tutorial. It is used to your help. My of the one. I am also learning this one. I am working. I am also working 8 months of the SQL Oracle um, uh, database. So first of all, listen. So what is use? What is want this one? So I'm telling the way database. What is used with database? Database is collecting the data and retrieve the data and read the data and any kind of the situation that time that take the data that time any kind of the problem issue listen read the data oh any kind of the this one is a problem so this man is a problem so it is issue so going the that kind of the issue here here I am going the total syllabus giving the total syllabus. See, one of the Oracle SQL basics. So syntax, Oracle SQL syntax, data type, data types in a Oracle, char, varchar2, nchar, varchar2. That that kind of the data types. It is a main of the data types. So whenever you create the table and insert the table, it is a main factor of the database. So Oracle SQL commands, DDL command, DML command. So it is data control command, transaction language. So TCL, as well as SQL classes. Classes. What is classes? Select from where group by having order uh, distinct fit first pivot and unpivot table. It's very important because of it is MS Excel are using this one. SQL operators, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, set operators. So it is a function. Function also important. Aggregate function, single row functions, data integrated constructions, primary key foreign key. It is a very important to whenever create the table that time it's a very important, very important of the tables. So inner joins are must be used the joins to table in between the join inner join left outer join right outer join full self self cross equi join non equi join. So it is joins also important its concept because of a whenever two table give the table is a same data and I take one table is IDs, one table is your name. The time is I want the table and data. The time take the put the join two tables. Subqueries. Subqueries, what a difference between the subqueries and joins. It is also important. Views. How to create view, update view, drop the view, materialize view. It is very important of the materialize view. Drop also command update also Creating and materialized view, it is very, very important. So index also important. Creating index, type of index, managing index. What is sequence? Whenever you can create the one of the table or procedure, that time will be using this sequence. Synonymous, partitions, advanced advanced SQLs, so normalization, denormalization, common table expresses it is very, very important. Analytical function, rank, distinct rank. So it is also important. Advanced PLSQL. PLSQL also important procedures and procedure dynamic procedures. Procedure and functions, procedure packages, triggers and cursors. Cursors also important. The performance tuning. Performance tuning means because of running one query in a like 1 second, 1 minute, but I want to 1 second. That time creating the performance tuning. SQL, Oracle SQL database warehousing, start schema warehousing, miscellaneous Oracle concept loader, like that one is a SQL syllabus. So I am tomorrow give the one of the day one, day two, day three, and real time also. And what is interview question? How to act? How to experience? How to entry level? That I am give the preparing the one of the interview questions also. Tomorrow real time working as well as explain and interview questions also. I am tomorrow giving. So it is concept. Thanks.